Welcome to Howard Brown Online Barber College. Today we will discuss life skills. Open your book because class is in session. Welcome to Howard Brown Online Barber College. I'm your instructor, Charles Howard. Life skills are those day-to-day actions and skills that help you to be a productive and well-rounded person. Some of the most important life skills for you to remember and practice include being helpful and caring to others, making good friends, feeling good about yourself, and approaching work with a strong sense of responsibility. Now I want to discuss some action steps. Now, action steps create a solid foundation for achieving your goals. Some examples would be build self-esteem. Now, self-esteem is based on inner strength and begins with trusting your ability to achieve set goals. Visualize success. Constantly imagine yourself working in your dream shop. Be kind to yourself. This action step may be the hardest, but it is the most important for success. Keep your energy up. Successful barbers take care of themselves. Get the proper amount of sleep. Eat healthy foods and manage your time wisely. There are 3 bad habits that I feel need some mentioning. They can keep you from maintaining peak performance. Procrastination is putting off until tomorrow what you can do today. An example would be, I will study tomorrow instead of today. Perfectionism is an unhealthy compulsion to do things perfectly. Success is not defined as doing everything perfectly. As long as you learn from your mistakes, you will be successful. Having a game plan is the conscious act of planning your life instead of just letting things happen. Now, Benjamin Franklin said it best when he said, "If you fail to plan, you are planning to fail." Today we have discussed life skills and the important life skills for you to remember. We talked about action steps and 3 bad habits that can keep you from maintaining peak performance. Here is your assignment. Make sure that you watch Professional Image and subscribe to the channel so that you are notified when a new video comes out. If you like this video, make sure that you like and share it. You can find us on Facebook and TikTok at Howard Brown Online. And if you would like more information about our Barber Bootcamp, visit our website at howardbrownonline.com. Remember that barbering starts in the book. Class dismissed.